Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, shortcut key for pen tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this pen tool and click press P on your keyboard. Then result it again. Press P. See this and hold shift. Press P or next tool with pen tool. In pen tool. Freeform pen tool. Add anchor point. Again example. Hold shift P and use the pen tool and again hold shift press P and use freeform tool. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.